Hi, today I will show you how an app called BIOS Beep Codes Viewer works. When your PC boots, its configuration is tested via the Power On Self-Test (POST for short) to ensure that all hardware components are working properly. If all goes well, you should hear 1 or 2, for some manufacturers, beeps and your PC should begin booting into the operating system. On the other hand, if an error occurs, the system usually displays a so-called beep code, which informs the user what the problem is. Beep Codes Viewer is an app that includes a list of common problems, allowing you to interpret beep codes for some of the most popular BIOS manufacturers, such as AMI, AST, Award, Dell, Compaq, IBM, and Intel, Phoenix. The app is basically a collection of explanations of each code that a broken system might display. Its direct interface includes several tabs, one for each manufacturer. Clicking on a tab displays all the frequent beep codes, allowing you to easily navigate the list and select the one that matches your situation. This displays text that can indicate the possible cause of the error and solutions you can try to fix the problem and restart your PC. One of the benefits of this app is portability, which means you can load it directly from a removable drive connected to another PC, given that yours isn't working. The Beep Code Viewer can help you understand the meaning of beeps from a PC that fails to boot. Apart from the diagnosis functionality, it also provides solutions to the identified problem, but the rest is up to you. If you try his suggestions and nothing seems to work, it may be wiser to take your PC to an expert. See you next video, and now some music.